The Citation V. Private jet Citation V is one of aircraft maker Cessna's most popular light jets. Known for dependability, the Citation V can seat up to 7 passengers comfortably. This light private jet offers the most legroom to passengers in its class, as well as the most baggage space in its class at 67 cubic feet. The internal and aft baggage compartments hold an ample amount of luggage, and the nose baggage compartment is built to carry golf bags and snowboards. There is also the option to store 4 sets of skis and poles in a ski tube. Other features of the Citation V include a fully enclosed aft lavatory and a full drink and refreshment center. Visit luxuryrentaldirectory.com and search for listing ID 311 to charter your trip aboard the Citation V today.